go over how to draw a Halloween pumpkin, okay? This is going to have a tongue on it. It's going to be different than the other one. So if you haven't seen the other one, go check it out. But you're going to be able to do this step by step, so let's get started. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start with kind of the top curvature of the pumpkin. So we're going to make it bubbly, though. So right here, we're going to draw a curve, another curve, right? Keep going. It's going to be an overall arch of these little curves, so you can just kind of bubble it up if you want, like there. Make it a little bit thicker here, like there. Gonna go over here on the left, curve over here, and then over here on this side, curve over here. We have the outside of our pumpkin so far, okay? So what I want to do is we're gonna actually, let's go into the eyes first. So it's gonna be more of a jack-o'-lantern. So we're gonna go over here, maybe start around the center area. We're gonna pull up, down, right there at an angle, and then connect it there. Gonna go over here now, up, down, and connect it right there. Essentially, these triangle shapes aiming inward. Gonna go over here on the inside. I'm gonna pull a line over there, and a line over here angling up there. This is it's gonna basically replicate how you cut out a pumpkin, right? Line on the inside there. It's gonna show how you cut out a pumpkin, and you have that inner area showing. If you want, you can also kind of fill in. We can fill this in actually if you want. Let's do that. Fill on the top right here because the glowing is gonna come from the inner part right there. So let's just fill this in entirely. Don't forget, by the way, to share. Share the video if you do like the way I'm teaching, or you like videos like this. Curve in, curve in. It helps the channel out with the algorithm, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. You're amazing. Okay, let's go over here to the top. You got that stem. So the stem is up to you. What do you really want to do, right? Do you really want to draw a simplistic stem? We could draw like a curve. That's it. You want to draw a stylish one? I'm gonna draw like just a simple one. Curve over here. And I'm going to curve it in a little up right there. A little fancy, nothing too fancy. And then I'm going to do another curve in. It's going to get smaller as it goes down. Line up over here, 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 and curve right there for the top of that stem. Okay, right on. Gonna go over here now. Kind of a side of the smile there, side of the other smile, just for the mouth. And now we're gonna go right here, and I'm gonna kind of give it a wavy top of the mouth there. You can make it straight, it doesn't really matter, I think. Again, I want you to remember something, is you want to be close enough on these. You don't have to be exact, doesn't have to be super exact. You just want to be close enough. And that's kind of what we're after. Let's draw down here. Now we're going to draw a tooth. Another tooth right there. It's just really just a triangle shape. And try to vary up the sizes. You don't have to vary them up that much, but vary it up just a bit to spread it across there. All right. I'm going to go over here now. We're going to draw that tongue I was talking about. So we're going to go over here. Kind of that S curve out, just kind of S curve it out. And if you want, you can make it a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. It's up to you, right? A lot of this stuff is kind of what you bring to it, right? What you customize to this stuff. I'm going to go over here and on this side, and I'm going to do the other side of the tongue, but I'm going to make it a little bit slower because on this one, it's going to get smaller as it goes toward the end right here, right? It's going to be a little bit smaller as it does that. Let's go over here now on the bottom. Boom, boom. Right hand the bottom. Boom, boom, boom. That same bumpiness that's on the top, which is, again, what we're after right there. Okay? So far, so good. Gonna go right here, pull a line down for the middle of that tongue. Maybe a line over here on this side. Line over here on this side. Line, line, line right there. Line, line. These are the lines on the actual, like, the pumpkin texture, right? There you go. Line over here. We're not done yet, okay? Now, what you want to do is want to bring a little bit of realism to this guy. So we're going to go right here, curve down. We're going to give a little bit of a shadow right there as the pumpkin casts shadow on the, on the tongue casts a shadow on the pumpkin. Maybe draw a deeper line over here at the bottom. Same thing. Deeper line at the bottom here. Little bit of a dark line right here for the top of the mouth. Right? That's casting a shadow on the tongue. So we're putting in a little bit of a thicker line at the bottom here. That's going to give it more gravitas, more weight. Don't forget, there's a lot of great free stuff in the description over there. Go check out the description. There's a lot of free resources. There's a free how to draw a head tutorial, a worksheet you can check out, like with measurements of the head. There's a free how to draw cute stuff. There's a lot of stuff over there. Go check out the link in the description. It is a lot of free goodies right there. And right here, see, we keep going across, putting in that darkness over here. Again, these kind of dark patterns are really something that change the quality of your drawing, right? And it's really just dark patches that are really easy to do, right? You can do them down here as well. Over here as well. And then right here in the same exact thing, you want to... Same exact thing right there. And then let's draw a little bit more of a crunching right here. So you draw little thin lines around, like right there, curve right there, around the anger, right? This pumpkin angry, right? And these are just little add-on lines, right? These don't really make a lot of difference per se, but they give it a little bit more of an intensity of a Halloween pumpkin. I want to thank you very much. Please hit the subscribe and let me know if you see this right now. Say hi, say what's up. But the biggest thing you can do is to share the video if you do for free. That's the free thing you can do to kind of pay back the channel if you want. That's it. I want you to stick around, and we're going to go on to the next drawing lesson right now. So stick around right now. We'll go on to the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.